Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about ignition module for Pitco part #60152001CL. The ignition module for Pitco part #60152001CL is a replacement part for Pitco fryers. It is designed to provide reliable ignition of the fryer's gas burner. The module is made of durable materials and features a 120V AC input voltage and a half NPT gas inlet connection. It also includes an adjustable temperature control knob, allowing you to adjust the temperature of the fryer's burner. The module is easy to install and can be used with any Pitco fryer model. This part fixes the following symptoms. The ignition module for Pitco part #60152001CL is designed to replace a faulty or malfunctioning ignition module in a Pitco fryer. It can fix symptoms such as the fryer not heating up, not igniting, or not staying lit. Here is how you install this part. 1. Turn off the power to the fryer before beginning installation. 2. Remove the existing ignition module from the fryer by unscrewing the mounting screws and disconnecting any wiring. 3. Install the new ignition module in place of the old one, making sure to secure it with the mounting screws provided. 4. Connect all wiring to the new ignition module, making sure that all connections are secure and that no wires are crossed or shorted out. 5. Turn on the power to the fryer and test for proper operation of the new ignition module. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.